Hello everyone, how is your day going? In today's presentation, I will discuss a very common topic, renting versus owning a house. It's a decision that most of us we have to make at a point in our lives. So let's discuss the pros and cons of each option. Before I proceed, a quick reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video, and remember to press the notification button. Now let's get started. Renting versus owning a home or a house. Number one, flexibility and freedom. Renting offers a high level of flexibility and freedom that owning a home might not have. Imagine being able to move into a new country, into a new city, into a new neighborhood without challenges, including cost and time of selling your home or property. Renting provides the opportunity for you to explore different areas, travel at any time, and even change your career without being tied down with the associated stress and cost of selling your home. Number two, investment potential. Owning your home can be a great long-term investment. Over time, property values tend to appreciate, and you can build equity in your house or your home. If you are looking for a way to secure your financial future, owning a home or a house is a smart move to make. Also, you have the option to rent it or generate passive income with time. Number three, maintenance and responsibilities. With renting, you do not have much to worry about when it comes to maintenance, including things like replacement or repair of roof, furnace, or other major repairs, because your landlord is typically responsible for fixing it. On the other hand, when you own your house or your home, it means you are responsible for major repairs, including renovations. On the other hand, you could customize your home or your space to whatever taste or lifestyle that you want. So this can be an added advantage. Number four, financial consideration. Renting often requires a lower upfront cost and no huge down payment, making it more accessible for those with limited savings or those who are just starting their lives. Additionally, your monthly rent and expenses are predictable, as you are not responsible for payment of property taxes, home insurance, major repairs, or any things like that. On the other hand, when you own your house or your home, you are able to build equity and potentially save on taxes. It can be a very huge financial milestone and valuable asset in the future. Number five, sense of belonging. When you own your house, you have this strong sense of belonging and stability. You are able to establish your roots in the community where you live, get to know your neighbors, and create a space in your house that you like. Renting, on the other hand, offers more flexibility for you to move around and explore other countries, other neighborhoods, or environments. So let's conclude. Let's weigh the options. What do you think? What's your verdict? Ultimately, the decision between renting or owning a house or a home depends on your personal circumstances, goals, and priorities. You should consider factors like: what is your financial situation? What is your lifestyle? What are your long-term plans? And what is the local real estate market and situation where you live? It is crucial that you do your research and consult professionals and carefully evaluate the pros and cons of renting versus owning as it affects you. Here are my final thoughts. Whether you choose to rent or own a house, remember that there is no one solution that fits everyone. Everyone and their financial situation is different. It is very important that you find what works best for you and your unique situation. Both renting and owning a home has a set of advantages and disadvantages. The key is to make an informed decision that aligns with your goals and your aspirations. I have to stop here for now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video and press the notification button. And if you have any comments or thoughts, share it in the comment section. Until my next presentation, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup and bye for now.